ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഏവർക്കും ഈസി ലേൺ പി എസ് സിയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നടന്ന ട്രേഡ്സ്മാൻ എക്സാമിൻ്റെ പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീയാണ് നോക്കുന്നത്. നെയിം ദ പ്രോപ്പർ ഇൻസ്ട്രുമെൻറ്റ് ഫോർ മെഷറിംഗ് ദ റൈസ് ടൈം ഓഫ് എ പൾസ് ഓസിലോസ്കോപ്പ്. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ റിപ്പിൾ ഫാക്ടർ ഫോർ full wave rectifier 0.48. How to adjust 3 capacitors to get the highest energy maintaining the same potential, 3 in parallel. What is the phase angle in an RL circuit? Negative. If two capacitors of 12F each are connected in a series combination, then find their equivalent capacitance, 6F. Two resistors of R ohm and 30 ohm are connected in parallel to get an effective resistance of 15 ohm. What is the value of R? 30 ohm. Which of the following is not a use of a full wave rectifier? Suitable to use when a small voltage is required to be rectified. If in an AC circuit, resistance is 3 ohm and capacitance resistance is 4 ohm. What is the impedance? 5 ohm. Electronic circuit that operates on one or more input signals to produce a standard output is known as logic gates. How many AND OR gates are required to realize y equal to AB plus AC plus BC plus BD? Option B, 4, 1. Combinational logic circuit used to both A and B. Compute outputs, compute new states. Which method is used to represent negative integer number? All of the above ആണ്. 1's complement, sign magnitude and 2's complement വരും. How many characters are contained in the ASCII code? 128. 2's complement of binary number 1001 is 0111. How many gates does a very large scale integration circuit have? 10,000 to option C ആണ് വരുന്നത്. 1 lakh gates. In an IC's propagation delay is measured in nanosecond. An inverter gate can be developed using a transistor. In diodes, current flow is unidirectional. Which device among the following acts as a rectifier? Diodes. CMOS refers to complementary metal oxide semiconductor. A full adder logic circuit will have 3 inputs and 2 outputs. 2's complement representation of the signed binary number is given as 101100, which indicates negative number. Which among the following is not a digital test instrument? Flip-flop. The Boolean expression of OR gate is A plus B, that is A or B. When is the output of 2 input AND gates high? Only if both the inputs are high. Which of the following connectors are previously used to connect keyboard and mouse to PC compatible computer? PS2 connectors. How much is 1 terabyte equal to? 1024 gigabyte. The main directory of a disk is called root. 29th. In Linux, the shortcut key to launch terminal is Ctrl plus Alt plus T. The term SSD in computer storage stands for solid state drive. Solid state drive. Which of the following statements are true about input device in a computer? 1 and 2. Accept the data and instruction from outside world. Convert the inputted data to form that the computer can understand. Which of the following statements are true about parallel ports in a computer? To transfer a byte through a parallel port, all the 8 bits are transferred simultaneously. Option A. The data connection to the CPU, RAM, PCIs are made through the north bridge component of the motherboard. RJ45 port is used to connect network cables to a motherboard. Option C. Which of the following is the fastest cache compared to others? L1 cache. Which of the following is not a motherboard form factor? VNX. What is the maximum number of partitions allowed in a MBR based disk partition table? 4. Which of the following is a software interface between an operating system and a platform firmware? Both A and B, BIOS, UEFI. The symbol that represents root directory in Linux is option B. Which of the following command is used to add new user to the Linux system? All of the above. Linux conf user add user. What is the core of Linux operating system? Kernel. Which of the following is the register that contains the address of the next instruction to be executed? Program counter. Which of the following device is used to read the check number written at the bottom of bank check MICR? Which of the following is the printer used in ATM counters to print the receipt? Thermal printer. Consider the following statements comparing static RAM with dynamic RAM. Answer in option C 1 and 3 only. In static RAM, typical cell requires more number of transistors than the dynamic RAM. Dynamic RAM is less expensive than the static RAM. Option C. Name a device operating in network layer router. Option A. Which protocol translates domain name like www.sample.com into IP address? DNS. Telnet stands for Terminal Network. Communication using walkie-talkie is an example of half duplex. Which topology has a dedicated point-to-point link only to central hub? Star. What is the full form of Wi-Fi wireless fidelity? Name the protocol for email facility. SMTP. In classful addressing, Class E address is reserved for future use. Option C. Which protocol is used for remote login? Telnet. UTP stands for Unshielded Twisted Pair. Option B. Which command used to check connectivity between two nodes? Ping. 255.0.0.0 is the default mask for which class of network? Class A. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Default mask for class B is option D 255.250.0.0. Which of the following cable is used to connect similar devices? Crossover. Which one of the following is class A address? 16.22.120.34. In RJ45, RJ stands for registered jack. IPv4 address uniquely identified devices connected to the internet. IPv4 is 32-bit address. In dotted decimal notation, IPv4 each byte or octet value ranges from 0 to 2255. Name the command used to display domain name for given IP address and vice versa host. Which tag is used to follow the exact format of text which is written in HTML source document pre? Which of the following is the correct syntax for iframe tag? Option C, an iframe src equal to http www.keralapsc.gov.in title keralapsc/iframe. Option C ആണ് വരുന്നത്. Which of the following is used to create web page which contains email linking? ahref equal to mail to info@kerala-tourism.org. Option B. Which of the following is used to indicate to the browser about the direction in which the text in HTML should flow from right to left? Option C. dir equal to RTL. What will be the output of the following? P. HTML stands for hypertext del mark/del ins markup /ins language/p. Option D ആണ് വരുന്നത്. In HTML, if we set the background color as #FFFFF, what will be the color? White. HTML code to display the equation a raised to log x to the base a equal to x is option C. Which tag is used to group related controls within a form? Field set. Which attribute is used with a anchor a tag to display the linked page in a specified frame? Target. Option A ആണ്. Which of the following defines a file select field and a browse button for file uploading? Option C, input type equal to file. Which of the following is a correct way to assign a value to an array element in VB script? Option A, array of 0 equal to hello. Which function in VB script is used to replace a specified part of a string with a specific string specified number of times? Replace. What will be the value of P in the following VB script code? Const P equal to 100, P equal to P plus 50. Execution error, option B. Which is the use of ampersand operator in B script? Option B ആണ് 1 and 2 ആണ് വരുന്നത്. Concatenate two strings, concatenate two numbers. What will be the output of the following JavaScript code? Function calc xy, if x equal to 0 return y, return calc x minus 1 comma x plus y, window dot alert calc 5 comma 4. Answer വരുന്നത് option C 19. What will be the output of the following JavaScript code? Function n, function fun of n, if n equal to 0, if n double equal to 0 return document dot write n modulo 2 fun pass in n by 2 fun 4 times colon slash strict. അപ്പോൾ എത്ര ഒരു ആൻസർ വരുന്നത് 001, ഓപ്ഷൻ എ. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ കറക്റ്റ് ഓർഡർ ഓഫ് പ്രസിഡൻസ് ഓപ്പറേറ്റേഴ്സ് ഇൻ ജാവാസ്ക്രിപ്റ്റ്? ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ആണ് വരുന്നത്. സ്റ്റാർ മോഡുലോ പ്ലസ് ഡബിൾ ഈക്വൽ ടു ആമ്പേഴ്സാൻഡ് ഈക്വൽ ടു. ഇൻ എ ജാവാസ്ക്രിപ്റ്റ്, what will be the value returned by expression computer less than book? Option B true. Which of the following returns live node list containing all elements with the specific name attribute get elements by name? Option B. Which of the following returns a collection of all img elements in a document.images? Which method is used to manipulate the HTML DOM and add a new element? Document.createElement. Option D. In PHP, which function is used to convert string to uppercase, str to upper? What are the predefined variables used to retrieve information from a form to PHP? Option C ആണ് വരുന്നത്. What will be the output of the following PHP code? Option B 210. Choose the correct choose the correct statement about PHP. All of the above ആണ് വരുന്നത്. PHP is an acronym for Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP is a widely used open source scripting language. PHP scripts are executed on the server. PHP is free to download and use. Which component in the laser printer is responsible for drawing the document onto the drum? Electric charges. In laser printers, what is the purpose of combining heat and pressure during the printing process to ensure proper adhesion of the ink on the paper, onto the paper? What is the composition of toner stored in a toner cartridge? Black carbon substance mixed with polyester resins and iron oxide particles. Which part of the laser printer responsible for controlling the movement of paper through the printing process? Paper transport assembly. Which of the following statement is true about laser printing? It uses high voltage electricity to create an electrostatic image on a drum. Which type of paper is commonly used for printing high quality images on malfunction printers with photo printing capabilities? Glossy photo paper. What is the primary advantage of using malfunctions printer in a home or small office environment? Lower cost compared to individual devices. Compared to separate single function devices, malfunction printers generally offer saving space. Which of the following is not a typical feature of malfunction printer? Flux printing. You are trying to connect a new printer to your computer. Which of the following will allow your computer to recognize and communicate with the printer? Driver software specifically designed for the MFP model. നിങ്ങൾക്കത് ഉപകാരപ്പെടും. നിങ്ങൾ തീർച്ചയായും ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്.